Hi! If you did not see the previous video, take a look. In it, there is 2 mystery liquids, some fire, and a whole lot of potential possible questions. And if you missed this round of questioning, please subscribe so that you're going to be here for next time. Alright, without any further ado, let's take a look at the questions and answers for your questions from the last video. By the way, this was recorded before I had the beard, so nobody freak out. Alright, let's go. Starting with the exciting conclusion. What happens when you dunk the paper into both liquids? That is a great question, and it's interesting too, because on one hand, you've got this liquid that doesn't really cause the paper to burn at all. And on the other hand, you've got this liquid that kind of causes the paper to sort of double burn, where it kind of goes whoosh, and then whoosh. So what the question is really asking is what happens when an unflammable liquid meets a super flammable liquid, and that, just like most any other question in science, is worth finding out. As it turns out, it doesn't matter what order you dunk the paper in. You can dunk it into the left one, then the right one, or the right one, then the left one, or even mix the two together and dunk it into that. Either way, you get this. It's on fire, but look, the paper is fine. Fire is on it, but it is not on fire. Right, there is flames, but the paper doesn't do that kind of brown, curly, scrunchy thing. Instead, it stays perfectly white, just a little wet. Okay, but why did that happen? It happened because the liquid that burns is less dense than the liquid that does not burn. So what happens is the non-burning liquid gets absorbed into the paper, and the burning liquid, being less dense, kind of settles on top of that. When we light the thing on fire, the top layer of burning liquid, well, burns, and the bottom layer of non-burning liquid protects the paper from burning too. Now from a YouTube comment, what are the 2 liquids? I'm glad you asked this question because I keep having to say the word liquid and I kinda mess it up a lot. The burning liquid, other liquid. Take one liquid. This liquid. The liquid that does not cause burning is water, H2O. It's one of the weirdest and most important liquids that happens to be very rare in the universe, but very common here on Earth. The other liquid is called ethyl alcohol. It's highly flammable and it's less dense than water. And it's technically a poison. Now a question from science class. What happens when you pour the flammable liquid onto the candle? I'm not gonna do that. Please?
Okay, I am going to do that. But not inside, that's where all my stuff is. Outside. And safety.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Yep, that's about what I thought would happen. Yeah, it's too bad. And that's it. If you have any other questions about this open experiment, then put them into the comments below. Other than that, I will see you next time.